Well, yes, again, guys, good morning. Me again, showing you the part two of putting up these staircase channels. Alright, we'll use Ryan with the mini excavator to help carrying the iron them inside. So, just take a look and see what they go on with what we are going on now. But there are a lot of noise behind it. We just play some music to make you can feel entertained while you watch. Okay, so just taking a real look on this now, cause it's a real technical part of work, but just so you go, cause everybody love your work with they do. Some love my work too, just the same. So I'm glad to share it with people and let them see what we do on the site at daytime every day.
hour later.
Well, yes, okay, guys. This is it now. Ribs up and everything from down here, so right up to the second floor. So only part leave to go in now, just to pan them and to get the concrete cast on it.